Well, hello friends and fellow Disney fans. My name's Brad.
And I'm Claire.
And today we are here at the Disneyland Hotel checking out a 2-queen bedroom. So if that interests you, stick around. So when you walk in, what you see right away is the view of the entire resort. You see your beds, but before we do that, to your right, what you will find is your closet on the left and your bathroom on the right. Let's go check these out.
Let's go! This is the closet.
That's right, this is the closet.
It has these.
It does have those.
I don't know what they are.
They're hangers.
Oh.
And then in here is your bathroom.
I can see it. You have some conditioner, shampoo, and body wash.
You do, and so this is your tub and shower. Over here is your vanity. What's really cute, Claire, what do you see?
A little hand, it's Mickey.
It's Mickey's hands.
Yeah, guys.
So you got lots of room for all of your toiletries. Obviously, you've got some actual Disneyland toiletries waiting for you, as well as this little card. That's the monorail. Then, Claire, what do you got over here?
You got painting and
We got the toilet.
I'm just gonna sit on it.
Are ya? And then, oh, we've got a nice
Painting of
Swiss family treehouse. So now we're heading back over to the room.
to go and see the bedroom.
This is the bedroom. As with all the Disneyland hotel rooms, you've got this wonderful mural above the bed that does at times light up. We'll show you. You want to? Oh, look at that. But then over here, a dream is a wish your heart makes.
Maybe.
The beds at the Disneyland Hotel are just like the cruise. They're so comfy, right, Claire?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Wow!
Claire, is that awesome?
Stitchy says wow. Stitchy says wow.
So whenever you want that to turn on, you literally just go down here and press that little fireworks light on, and it starts to play. Perfect magical way to end your day at Disneyland, right, Claire?
Yeah, and it has some music.
It does have music, and it's got a beautiful cutout of the castle. Just gorgeous. Claire, what's over here? Is this, we got a painting of
Walt Disney
walking through the castle. So in between here, you've got obviously your nightstand for you to place your phone and all that kind of stuff. On each side of the bed, you have lights that you can light up so you can read and not disturb whoever else is in the room. Of course, you got a beautiful view of the pool lounge here from this room. Absolutely gorgeous. The room does have this awesome desk for you to do your work. And then of course you have your TV.
That works.
It does work. And then of course you've got your fridge, mini fridge.
Nothing in it.
As well as drawers for you to put your stuff in. So this channel is the Jamie Thomas Show, and my wife Jamie is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. And so every week we just bring videos to help you have the most magical vacation possible. We bring you reviews, tips, tricks, but maybe you're wanting some help with your next Disney vacation, right, Claire?
Yeah.
And so who should they contact?
Jamie.
They should contact, who's Jamie?
Mom.
Yeah, they should contact Jamie. She just acts kind of like a free concierge service. When you book with her, all of her services are completely free. She gives you tips, tricks, and even monitors for the best rates possible. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to get in contact with her, you can contact her by email, jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or her website, clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thanks for taking the time to watch this.
Bye.
Bye.